Hey there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Want to access LinkedIn Learning's vast library of courses for free? In today's video, I'll show you a step-by-step method to get a LinkedIn Learning library card in just a few minutes. So don't skip, watch till the end. Let's dive right in. First up, we need a library card from the New York Public Library. Head over to this link. I'll leave it in the description below. Fill out the application form, and you'll soon be part of one of the coolest digital libraries around. Now let's apply for a library card online. First of all, click here, Get a Library Card, and scroll down and click upon Get Started button. Now it's time to fill out your personal information, like your first or last name, your date of birth, your email address. Click on right checkbox. Now move to the next page by clicking over Next button. Now it's time to fill your home address, like street address, apartment city, state or postal code. If you are not belongs to the tier 1 countries like USA, Canada, Australia, Germany, and the UK, then you can use fake address generator in your own risk. I'm using my address. And move to the next slide. Here you have to fill the alternative address if you are working somewhere or live there. Click to the next. You had to verify the address. If it's verified, then click to the next. In the step, you have to customize your account username. Fill here and check if username is available by clicking here. Now set a strong password and verify that password here. Now accept term and conditions and click to the next. This is the final step where you can edit or recheck what you fill. Check and submit the application. Within few seconds, your New York Public Library card is ready to use in LinkedIn Library. And skill up yourself. Now take a screenshot or remember this library card and password. And once your library card is approved, you're ready for the final step. Visit the LinkedIn Learning login page and select New York Public Library as your institution. Enter your library card number and PIN, and voila! You now have full access to LinkedIn Learning. After login, you have a vast LinkedIn library courses for free. Just explore and start learning right now. And there you have it, LinkedIn Learning unlocked for free. Now you can explore thousands of high-quality courses to level up your skills, whether it's coding, design, marketing, or leadership. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs this hack. See you in the next one.